Ehemplo ng kabutihan, pagmamahal at kababaang loob. Ganyan kung ilarawan ng ilang kongresista si Pope Francis. Kaya naman sa Kamara, isang resolusyon ang inihain ni Agri-Party List Representative Wilbert Lee para formal na maipaabot ang pakikisimpatya at pakikiluksa ng mga kongresista sa nangyari. Ayon kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez, para sa kanila hindi lang isang Santo Papa si Pope Francis, kundi isa ring guiding light sa panahon ng kadiliman. Nagbalik tanaw naman si House Assistant Majority Leader Jude Asidre na tubong Leyte noong bumisita sa kanilang probinsya ang Santo Papa matapos silang salantahin ng bagyong Yolanda. Ramdam umano nila ang buong pusong pakikiramay ni Pope Francis. Hindi man Katoliko, nakaisa rin sa pagluluksa si House Assistant Majority Leader Sia Alonto Adjong na humahanga anya sa magaling na pamumuno ng Santo Papa.
We join the global community in expressing our sympathies to the passing of Pope Francis kasi he's one of the leading voices in pushing for number one is human rights. He's very active before he's becoming a pope. He was really active in interfaith dialogue. I believe he's very much active in supportive of that the avenue of creating a more humane and more tolerant world. And Islam is one of those religions that really pushes for that understanding and tolerance among the three major Abrahamic faiths. So, of course, we send and express our sympathies to the church and to the entire Roman Catholic community.